Here I am, guys, Nutrien. Gonna pick up 4,000 pounds of urea. So guys, we're gonna drive into the chute. This is where they load you up. So he's gonna load up the urea, which is 4600, big bucket there. This is a shout out to Teenage Farmer, who just started up a YouTube channel. If you guys have a chance, check him out. So I have sulfur, all these different types of, they have potash, urea and everything. Right now they transfer the urea, and you can see the scales going down. It's transferring all that weight, all the urea that was the two big buckets the guy dumped are going into this mixer. It goes on a belt, goes into the mixer, go into that little conveyor right there, and go up that, and then comes out, travels there, and comes down that spout. So he's banging on that stainless steel tank. I guess there's chunks stuck up there, so they go down there. There's the scale. It's just a big cement mixer. Got the young man up there kicking down whatever's stuck on the sides. All the scrapings, anything that's stuck. And he makes sure that the system's cleared of it. With the humidity, this stuff turns into chunks. So they make sure it's all taken care of. Is there a lot stuck in there or what?
No, I was just gonna get it out right now.
Oh. Goes in there. That drops it on the conveyor. In return, goes over there. There's the belt. Goes up that conveyor. And you need me to back it up or you're good? It's a neat process the way they have it here. It works out real good. That's gold pellets, guys. That's all gold right there. White gold. Spreading out pretty good. It's a lot of urea. White gold. How's that for 4,000 pounds? Nice heavy load on the truck. We're going to rerun the scale here. They're gonna weigh us out, then I'll go and pay the ticket. Hey guys, welcome back. We're setting up the spreader here. This is from Nutrien Ag. We set it at 200 pounds per acre. They beat out the last guys by about $300. So we're opportunists, and $300 will get me a long way in diesel. With the rain and the extra fertilizer we had on here last time, this is looking beautiful, guys. All right, well, again, welcome back to the channel. This is South Texas Cattle and Hay. We appreciate all of you. Spacing, it's not real critical, but it does help. You can overlap this stuff, you'll be okay. I'm just praying that it rains. If it doesn't rain, well then I'll have to irrigate. Again, Nutrient Ag. We're hauling it with a John Deere 5101. It's coming along. Let's throw it out. Yep. It is throwing it out. Trying to figure out spacing. We're coming along, guys. I mean, I'm spreading gold to produce green gold. You know, I mean, it's like this stuff is the price of gold. So, yeah, you want to make a little bit of a higher yield. And also when you bale, your bales come out real green. And that's what urea does to this. The fertilizer makes this grass super green, which helps out. Those spots on my window are mud.